Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.4.03. Identify selected features with its value. Features are not included on the cost workup without entering dimensions. From the project dimension sheet, the user can get to the appropriate cost workup sheet by clicking the buttons located to the left end of the row of a feature's dimensions. Even after the feature dimensions are entered on the project dimension sheet, unless the value is calculated, the feature in terms of its value is still not included in the cost workup. Entering prices for each piece of material is the only way to create the feature's value in materials and labor. Although there are general rules of fixture or cabinet construction, the selection of the specific rows of material items in the detail table on the cost workup sheet is at the discretion of the person preparing the cost workup. Formulae in the labor section of the cost workup sheet determine which material items are included in which labor processes. Review the labor processes calculations to determine which materials are included or excluded as a result of the materials selections made. The formulae are based on the category and group in the materials section of the cost workup sheet. Prices for melamine, shelf clips, shelf standards, and plastic laminate will be entered. The labor processes are machining, laminating, and mounting. This example 2.4.03 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.4.04.